To create an account for Bates Nursery, first click Login at the top of the screen, then Create an Account. Fill in the login form with all pertinent information, including your first name, last name, email, telephone, billing address, and shipping address if different from your billing address. Having an account will make checkout a faster and simpler process for you. Set a password for your account that is both secure and one that you'll remember. All passwords must contain at least one number. Under Terms and Conditions, accept the terms and conditions and subscribe to our newsletter if you'd like. Retype your current password to confirm all of the information is correct and hit Save. Confirm that the contact information for the newsletter and the billing and shipping address are correct, and then get shopping. Our inventory of plants, soil amendments, soils, including earth mix soils, are all updated regularly in our online shop. When you see a product you like, add it to cart, and then when you're ready to check out, click Proceed to Checkout. Confirm that all of the information for shipping is correct and click Next Step. You have a couple options here: pick up in store or choose local delivery. We deliver to the Nashville region. Continue to payment and you're all set. Happy shopping!